You think you don't have time for breakfast, instead you skip it, have a coffee, or maybe pick up a croissant? Well, you don't need to do it anymore because I have got 5 delicious, healthy recipes that only take 1 minute. You can take them to work, you can eat them at home, however you like to enjoy your breakfast, I have got you covered. So the first recipe we're gonna make is a beautiful yogurt and berry smoothie. We've got frozen berries, which are an absolute must in my freezer. They go with everything. I've got some beautiful coconut yogurt. We're gonna blend that together with some protein powder, some cinnamon, chuck some coconut flakes into there. It's gonna be delicious. Look at this colour, it is absolutely beautiful. And thanks to that protein powder, it's going to keep you full until lunchtime. Great post-workout smoothie, great if you need something a little bit fruity, a little bit tasty in the morning. It's creamy from the coconut, it travels super well. So if you're someone that likes to have breakfast at your desk, this is perfect. The second smoothie recipe is a mint smoothie. Yes, chocolate mint, what a combination. We've got raw cacao powder, packed full of magnesium. We've got some food grade peppermint oil. Make sure you get food grade. Don't go sticking in any odd peppermint oil in your smoothie. We've got a little bit of hazelnut milk, delicious. We've also got a banana for some sweetness and texture, and then also some protein powder. I've just gone for unflavoured protein powder. I personally use a plant-based protein powder called Form Nutrition, but there are tons of awesome ones out there. And if you want to use whey, absolutely go for it. Just get the protein powder that you love the most. That hint of mint just makes it almost feel like you're having a dessert for breakfast. It's so good. Right, we're gonna crack on with the Bircher. Now this is something that you can make the night before or in the morning. It needs a little bit of soaking time, but again, it only takes 1 minute to make it. So the first thing you're gonna need is a mixing bowl. And we're going to be popping in some porridge oats. You can use regular oats, but I prefer to use porridge oats with the Bircher because they really soak up all that liquid. Got some almond milk here, but you could use apple juice, you can use cashew milk, you can use oat milk, whatever milk you fancy. And to that, we're gonna add some blueberries, some cashew butter, some cinnamon, and some chopped apple. So the oats are soaking up all those beautiful flavours, and I'm just gonna pop this in a nice jam jar that I can pop into my handbag and take it on my way to work today. Just pour that in, it's so easy. Now, if you haven't tried a chia pudding before, they are so delicious, and we're gonna be making a raspberry and almond one. You're gonna need a mixing bowl, and to that you're gonna add some chia seeds, some plant-based milk, that could be oat, almond, whatever you fancy. Then we're gonna stir in some raspberries, some flaked almonds, a little bit of chopped apple, and we're just gonna let that sit. And what that's gonna do is the chia seeds are gonna soak up all those flavors, become nice and gelatinous, and set into a chia pud. And the final recipe is an egg wrap with smoked salmon. Now, this might be a little bit more punchy in 1 minute compared to the others, but I reckon we can do it. So I've got some beautiful fresh eggs. I'm using Clarence Court eggs. They're the ones with the very sexy orange yolk. I'm going to be whisking 2 of them together, pouring them out into a pan that's got some olive oil, nice high heat. We'll flip it over, and then we'll be adding some smoked salmon, and then we'll wrap it up into a beautiful wrap, which you can take for breakfast. It could also be a lunch recipe. If you want to put something different in your wrap, where the smoked salmon's not for you, you could put hummus and pumpkin seeds. You could pop in some roasted veggies from the night before. It's a really great wrap to chuck leftovers in. Look at these 5 delicious recipes. Each only takes 1 minute, and we've all got 1 minute in the morning. Come on, let's be realistic. They're transportable, they're delicious, they're colourful, they're vibrant. Everyone's gonna be jealous of them at work, and they will make getting up in the morning that much brighter. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.